Hey guys, check out these really cool chopsticks that I got. You know what's cool about these chopsticks? They glow in the dark. With these chopsticks, you can light up your mouth while you eat ramen. Not just for eating ramen, for those of you ladies who like to party, you can use these chopsticks as hair sticks and stand out from the rest of the crowd. If you want to get these LED chopsticks, there's a link given in the description box below. So please go get your LED chopsticks. Hi guys, welcome to Eat Your Pitika. I'm kidding. Welcome to Eat Your Kappa. Today I'm going to make a very simple and easy side that Assamese make with all of their dishes. And it's Pitika, and Assamese people get crazy creative with Pitika. They find all sorts of ingredients to mash and make an incredible dish. Pitika is a mash dish, and there are more than one ways of making this dish. And today I'm going to make pitika out of rich gourd, boiled potatoes and grilled tomatoes. So let's get started. The ingredients required to make rich gourd with grilled tomato and potato mashed are 1 potato, 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger finely chopped, few green chilies finely chopped, coriander for garnishing. I'm making use of spiny coriander, or also known as cilantro, salt to taste, and few drops of mustard oil. The first thing that we need to do is boil the rich gourd and the potato together. It will take about 30 minutes or so for the jinka and the potato to boil. Jinka is a very popular vegetable here in Assam, and it's in season right now, so why not? Some people like to add a little bit of lentils as they are boiling the potato and the jinka. It adds a lot more to the taste. Meanwhile, let's go grill our tomatoes. I'm just gonna go make use of the kitchen fire. Tomato looks done. So we have our ingredients boiled and ready. Let's peel the potatoes. Now we can add the onions, chilies and the coriander. Now we can add some salt and few drops of mustard oil. Give it a good mix. And there you go, your dish is ready. It looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try it. I'm just going to add a tad bit more of mustard oil.